Hi, this is Imran Khan from Humaid bin Abdulaziz School, Ajman, and today in sharing best practice session, I am going to introduce a very powerful interactive tool called Mentimeter. This tool is best suited for traditional classroom learning, distance learning, and hybrid learning. Mentimeter allows the teacher to create their presentations that give students a real-time feedback and also encourages student engagement. Students can access the resources on Mentimeter by using their laptops, by their mobile devices, tablets to vote on or to answer variety of questions a teacher asks. To get started, you open a browser and write www.mentimeter.com. Once this website opens on your browser, you will able to create an account in mentimeter.com. So after this screen will appear. Either you can create your fresh account in mentimeter.com by clicking sign up, or if you have your Gmail account, then you can also log in with your Gmail account or your Facebook account. Once you are able to log in, then this screen will appear. You have an account, then it looks like this. In this screen, you start by clicking New Presentation. Suppose my new presentation name is Demo. So I create this presentation. After this, a new slides will appear on your screen like this. So that is the name of your presentation, Demo. In this presentation, you are able to create a variety of popular questions like multiple choice, word cloud. It is very useful for English teachers. Open-ended questions, scales, ranking, question and answers. You also create a quiz competition by using quiz competition. Okay. For the purpose of demonstrations, I create one presentation in my profile. I will show you. In this presentation, I include some types of questions. So once you click on this tab, you have some types: multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended. So first I am going to show you multiple choice question. To create this, you click on the content tab. Here you can write your question, include the possible answers. If you want to include image like this, with the help of the image tab, you can put some images. Here are the patterns in which you can get your results, either in the form of bars, in the form of donuts, in the form of pie and dots. You can include this. Here I use bars. Some other options are you can show the correct answers to your students. You can tell them the results percentage. With the help of this, the students also select multiple options. The next category is word cloud. In this question, teacher can restrict the number of multiple answers given by the students. I already explained about image and multiple questions. The next type is open-ended questions. In this question, teacher can get their result in the form of speech bubbles one by one, flowing grid. Next question is scales. In this, the student rank their answer from the value 1 to 10. Ranking for the rearrangement. You can create quiz competition for a student by using Mentimeter tool. This is very popular among students. To create this, you can create your questions, the possible answers. You can also limit the timers for the students, like in 15 seconds they have to complete the answer. Next, you can also include the leaderboard after completion of the quiz. Once your presentation is ready, now you are able to share these questions among students. You can share these questions either of three ways. Either you can give the Mentimeter code to the student. For this, student can log in to menti.com and log in by using this code. You can also share this link. User can click on this link and directly go to the page. You can also share this QR code among students. Student scan this code and open the quiz. Once you share this code and link to the student, you can start the presentation. So this presentation you start in your screen. This is the code. A student can open the menti.com and by using the code he will get into this page. Look. So by clicking enter key, you can start the question. So your question is start. Now students give their choice. So the answer is MySQL. Student response the submission. You can get the response here. Look. So the answer is 100% right. You can also get how many number of students join these questions and answers. Once students answer the questions, then you are able to download the results, and also you can see the leaderboard, how many students participates and what are their scores, like this. So in last, I hope you find this interaction worthful, and if you have any question, contact in our official Applied Stream Telegram channel. Thank you.